So, the Lantern Festival's coming soon. Are your friends entering the Best Lantern contest this year?
Of course they are. The whole village is entering. They all want to win the prize for Best Lantern. Such a wonderful honor. Everyone is so proud of the winner.
Oh, perhaps I should enter this contest too. Mama, Papa, come quickly. I have an idea, one so important it cannot wait. I have decided to enter the Lantern Festival contest this year. Let me think. This year is the year of the tiger. So, of course, we'll make a tiger lantern. But how do we make one so special I'll surely win the contest? I've got it! I'll dedicate the lantern to Tai-Tai. I'll write a love poem and attach it to the lantern. The judges won't resist a man romancing his own wife.
Well, it's all glued together now. Not bad, is it? When I get this glue off my tail, I can start writing his poem on the scroll.
Look at his sloppy calligraphy. No wonder the magistrate needs us. To my love dumpling Tai-Tai, my sweet little lotus blossom pie, I will love you for eternity by the light of this lanternity. What verses? He calls this love poetry?
The magistrate will be depending on your beautiful art to win the lantern contest.
That poem's certainly not going to win him the first prize.
Hey, what's that thing? Oh, it's beautiful. Come on, let's get a closer look. Oh. Wow, it looks so real you can almost hear it growl. You can almost see it pouncing. I bet it wins Best Lantern for sure. Well, the lantern might be cool, but this poem is really yucky. Ew, yuck, all this lovey-dovey stuff. I think love notes are sweet. Well, you haven't read this one. What's a love note? It's the sleeve dogs. Come on, you guys. Let's see what's been going on in here all day. Are you coming with me?
Those dumplings sure were heavy. What does Cook stuff them with? Sand?
If you didn't gobble up every one that fell on the floor, you'd have more pep. I try to keep my physique.
What are they up to?
Wow! What a great lunch! I could eat all day!
Will you settle down and keep quiet? Hey, I smell something!
A wild tiger!
They're going to tear it apart!
We've got to protect the tiger!
Oh no! Someone, not the pool!
Oh, get me out of here! I'm stuck! False alarm! Hold it! This tiger's only colored paper! Yeah, but they're real!
Yay! Those little cats mean business! Let's get out of here!